Today we learn essential living room furniture vocabulary. The 5 main pieces are sofa, couch, armchair, coffee table, and television. These words help you describe any living room in English. A sofa is a long, comfortable seat for 2 or more people with back and arms. Couch means exactly the same as sofa, but is more common in American English. Both words describe the main seating in living rooms. A coffee table is a low table placed in front of the sofa. People put drinks, snacks, magazines, or decorations on it. It gives easy access from all seating positions in the room. An armchair is a single comfortable seat with armrests for one person. It is perfect for reading, relaxing, or sitting alone. Armchairs complement sofas in living room seating areas. An end table is a small table placed next to a sofa or armchair. People put lamps, drinks, books, or remote controls on it. End tables are compact and easy to move around. TV stands for television, the screen for watching shows and movies. It is usually the central feature of living rooms. TVs can be mounted on walls or placed on stands. In typical living rooms, the sofa faces the television. The coffee table sits in the center of seating. Armchairs provide extra individual seating around the main sofa area. Arrange sofa and seating facing the television for comfortable viewing. Keep at least 3 feet of walking space between furniture pieces. Center the coffee table within the seating arrangement.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.